La la la, hey, hey, yeah, yeah.
Well, it's month 2 of Year of the Detox, and here to give us an update on her progress is the blogger herself, Jennifer Walker. She has been blogging on her website, www.yearofthedetox.com, and also Tamara Reason is here as well with us. She's the owner of Yoga Station. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you. That's a bit of a tongue twister.
Yeah. Triple W, that's what we say,
there
triple
we go.
W.
Yeah, a little easier.
Now, month 1 was drink lots of water.
Yeah.
It's all about water. How did that go?
I think it went very well. I managed to do every single day at least 8 cups.
Wow.
So yeah, I felt really good. And then shortly into Get Moving, I missed a day, and I really felt it. Like I had a headache, and I was, oh, what's wrong? And then I thought back, oh my goodness, I'm down about 3 cups of water today. And then I had them, and I felt great again. So.
Well, you just mentioned that month 2 is Get Moving. So
Get
what do you
moving.
mean by Get Moving? Obviously exercising, you want to get up. Why is it so important? Yeah, I know that you've done sort of your own research and you've looked at various things. Why is it so important for people to get moving?
Well, the most obvious answer is because it's healthy.
Yeah.
I mean, you're looking at making your body move, your blood flowing. Most people know, oxygen-rich blood, bringing nutrients to different parts of your body, very healthy.
Right.
So that would be, the obvious first answer. Excuse me. Excuse me. So, pardon me. So on top of that, getting your heart to move a little more, because a lot of people have heart issues when they get older because they haven't taken proper care of their heart as they were growing. And then on top of that, something that I kind of stumbled into the research I knew a little bit about, but I didn't know so much, but lymphatic fluid.
Right.
So you've probably heard of it before.
Yeah.
But what I found very interesting was that you actually have more lymphatic fluid in your body than you do blood.
Really?
3 times more.
So what's its purpose then?
Lymphatic fluid flows throughout your body, and it collects the waste from your white blood cells. So it's part of your immune system.
Okay.
So your white blood cells are in sections of your body called nodes.
Right.
And the white blood cells attack bacteria, fungus, anything that's in your system that shouldn't be there.
Right.
But they attack, they engulf, they basically eat it. But then when they get rid of the waste needs to leave the area.
Right.
So your lymph is what carries that to places where it is eliminated from your body, say like your liver.
Right.
The big thing though is that your lymphatic system doesn't have a pump.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
You are the pump.
We are the pump, exactly. We are the pump.
Exactly.
Your heart pumps your blood all throughout your body, and that's only 5 to 6 liters. But your movement pumps your lymph, which is about 15 liters of your body.
So it's important to get moving so that even your immune system is up to speed with the rest of your body as well.
Exactly.
And you've chosen yoga
Yes.
to get moving, and Tamara is your cousin.
Yes.
She's also an instructor.
And we're twinsies
yes,
today.
twinsies.
Yeah, very good. Did you call each other?
No, I think maybe a psychic phone call.
Probably.
sometime.
Could be.
Purple. Yeah, purple.
Right, so Tamara, how does yoga help in terms of all the things that Jennifer was talking about?
Right. Well, yoga helps to increase the circulation. There's lots of postures that are great for the lymphatic system. It helps to remove waste from the body. And it's great for all levels. So even if you have any injuries, you can still practice yoga with lots of basic movements to more advanced postures.
Can you teach us some of those moves? I think a lot of us would be interested in seeing
Of
that.
course. So the main thing is to start getting moving,
Right.
increasing the circulation. A simple thing you can do anywhere, any place is just shoulder rolls.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to do it with her,
All right.
so that you can see someone who's not a yoga expert also doing it.
But in a month's time, you will be,
Right.
Jennifer.
That's right.
Okay, so let's see.
And you can join along as
Okay.
well if you like. So just starting with your feet hip-width apart, standing tall in the mountain pose, Tadasana.
Ah, the mountain pose.
Yes, so you feel grounded. And just simply roll the shoulders back and down. It's as easy as that, taking a break from your day.
You don't realize how tense you are until you do this.
It's true. I just felt it too. I felt a little. Did you hear the crunching?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can
Yeah.
crunching.
Renee
I thought it was
fears
me.
Maybe it was both of us.
And the opposite direction.
And Tamara, what about your studies? Where have you studied yoga?
I spent 4 years in India,
Okay.
and my husband and I traveled around the world, mostly Asia, to teach and study yoga.
Do you do any specific types of yoga?
Actually, all styles, mostly
Okay.
Hatha yoga.
Right.
And we have a studio in Carlton Place,
Oh,
yoga
very nice.
station.
Hatha is
station.
the relaxing one.
Oh, that's great.
One of the relaxing ones.
Great. So feeling better already?
Yes, I'm feeling a little looser now.
A lot of people hold tension in the shoulders and neck areas. So that's a
Right.
simple way to help release the tension. Next posture is the Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana.
Oh, I like the name of this one. Okay.
So you need a little more space for
All
this
right.
one. Basically, take a wide stance.
I don't know if Lois is gonna.
I'll do that.
Now that's the entertaining portion, though, Jen.
Yeah,
Don't you worry about
Don't
that.
worry, yeah.
And
Try.
turn both feet.
Okay.
Yes. And then just bend your right knee. Now, important here for alignment that your knee
I have
follows
trouble with that. Keep
the
the knee out.
direction of the toes. Great.
There we
Even in
go.
high heels, no problem.
So you can do it anywhere.
Yeah, exactly. You can do it at work. Well, that's
Exactly.
a great thing about yoga is you can do it at work. You can do it when you're traveling. You don't need any equipment to do it.
And you can do it in a dress.
Exactly.
Exactly.
You're like Batwoman.
Well, ladies, thank you so much for joining us today and
you.
for helping us to relax, limber
Warriors.
up, and get our lymph fluid moving.
Yes.
Get moving.
So get moving this month. That is the theme for month 2 of Year of the Detox. If you want to find out more about Jennifer's progress or go along with her, her website is www.yearofthedetox.com. Coming up next, we are in the kitchen with Louis Gal talking about wine pairing with fruit wines. Ah, it's going to be
Oh, I
wonderful.
feel like a warrior. Hey? Look at this warrior pose.